The Containerized Gassing Unit, or CGU, is a relatively simple piece of portable kit that can be moved from farm to farm to undertake the welfare-friendly killing of large numbers of poultry. It comprises a source of gas, usually contained in cylinders, a number of regulators, manifolds and high-pressure tubing to deliver the gas in a controlled fashion from the cylinders to the gassing chamber, a solid rectangular gas-tight steel container with a hinged door with 2 inlets for gas and 2 outlets through which air is displaced, an industry-standard poultry transport module with drawers into which the birds are loaded after catching, and some monitoring equipment including gas sensors. The gas chosen for the purpose of culling poultry with this system is a mixture of 80% by volume of argon and 20% by volume carbon dioxide. This mixture is commercially available throughout the world as it's used for welding. Sufficient gas cylinders containing the argon carbon dioxide mixture will need to have been ordered through DEFRA procurement services at least 24 hours before the cull of birds commences. As a rough guide, half the content of 1 cylinder will be adequate to kill 1 module full of birds. Gas cylinders are filled to extremely high pressures, about 270 pounds per square inch, and therefore they need to be stored securely, handled and moved carefully. The cylinders are opened or closed by turning a circular screw valve. Each operator will require the following equipment: a carbon dioxide personal monitor, an approved respirator, safety goggles, leather gloves for handling gas equipment, rubber boots. Correct health and safety procedures must be followed. Regulators are attached to the gas cylinders and act as pressure-reducing valves. They must be appropriate for the gas mixture and required rate of gas flow. Regulators must be fitted tightly to the cylinder before turning on the gas mixture by opening the screw valve. Gas cylinders must be closed before the regulator is disconnected from the cylinder. Delivery tubes must be appropriate to handle the gas delivery pressure, which can be up to 5 atmospheric pressures, 5 bar. Thin tubing, such as that used in garden hoses, is not safe. The delivery tubes must have appropriate connectors at either end, one to connect to the regulator and the other to the CGU. The container is a gas-tight empty vessel designed to accommodate an industry-standard poultry transport module. At one end, a hinged door is fitted. The door has a rubber seal fitted to make the container leak-proof. Each container is fitted internally with 8 disposable plastic gas diffusers, connected in series to the delivery tubing that runs from the gas cylinders. Gas exits these diffusers at low pressures, and gas flow is directed towards the floor so that birds are minimally disturbed by the gas flow. The diffusers also act as silencers. In the roof of the container, 2 vents exist, covered with a flexible rubber seal. These vents enable air in the container to be displaced as the container is filled with the gas mixture.